A new project has just gone on sale, and I highly recommend it both to investors and to those buying for themselves. At the launch, the prices in this project are simply unprecedented. One-bedroom apartments with an area of 68 square meters, that's 735 square feet. Today you can buy one here for $137,000, including parking. And two-bedroom apartments with an area of 94 square meters, that's over 1,000 square feet, are available for $186,000. The apartments on the ground floor have a patio and their own small pool. There are also two-story apartments with spacious rooftop terraces, up to 138 square meters. The developer of the project is the company Metrofund. This is a super reliable developer who has already completed more than 100 projects and is known for excellent construction quality. All of the company's projects are super luxury and are built without delays, always on time. Metrofund truly stands out because they only start selling units in their projects once construction has already begun. The very same applies to today's exciting project, Eden Garden. Construction here is now in full swing. The project consists of 15 distinct four-story buildings, each with 8 spacious apartments. Each building will be equipped with an elevator. The completion date for this project, depending on the building chosen, ranges from June 2027 to June 2028. That is, from 1.5 to 2.5 years. The project features a magnificent main plaza. There are 2 large inviting swimming pools, an artificial sandy beach, a well-equipped gym, a spacious barbecue area, a dedicated place for parties with a summer kitchen, a convenient bar, a delightful restaurant, and a serene relaxation zone. The excellent Arena City Beach is just 5 short minutes from the project, where a special private area has been exclusively allocated for the project's residents. The center of Bavaro is 2.5 kilometers away, and Punta Cana Airport is less than half an hour's drive. Eden Garden is a magnificent business-class complex from one of the largest developers in the Dominican Republic, located very close to well-developed infrastructure. Restaurants, shops, several golf courses, banks, and service offices all are just nearby. At the same time, the project is surrounded by a green zone, taking into account the project's location, construction quality, short-term rental rates in this area, low maintenance fees, which in this project will be only $2 per square meter, and the current prices, which the developer will definitely raise after the first 2 or 3 weeks of sales. I believe this is an excellent project both for personal purchase and for investment. For the convenience of the residents, the project also provides golf carts so that you can quickly get to the private beach, which is located very close by. The finishing of the apartments and common areas deserves special attention. The company Metrofund always uses very high-quality finishing materials, so future buyers can be confident that they will receive excellent quality. The apartment layouts have also been thought out down to the smallest detail. All apartments have spacious loggias overlooking the pool, which is located in the center of the complex. Several projects are already being built in this area today, and although these projects are much less luxurious than Eden Garden, the prices there are significantly higher. Accordingly, by buying now at the initial stage of sales, you are already purchasing at a good discount. And finally, one last thing. For the first 3 weeks of sales, our company's clients will have access to a unique payment structure that is not available through other real estate agencies. 20% of the property price is due upon signing the contract, and 35% can be paid in small installments over the 2 years of construction. This means that during the entire construction period, you only need to pay 50% of the total cost, with the remaining 50% due upon receiving the keys. Moreover, if needed, we can help you obtain financing for the remaining 50% through Scotiabank Dominicana. This is a much more flexible payment structure than in most projects currently under construction. So in this project, everything comes together for a very profitable investment opportunity. Sales for the project start today. Don't miss this incredible chance to purchase an apartment here at the exclusive launch prices. For a more detailed consultation, you can easily call us by phone, schedule an online appointment, or arrange a personal meeting at our office located in Richmond Hill. The link is in the description of this video. See you again on the channel.